Good morning, students. Today's topic is chapter 4 Exponents and Powers. Now, if I write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 to the power 6. Now, this 2 is repeatedly multiplied, so this 2 is called base and this 6 is called exponent. Exponent or index or power also. Now if I write 2 to the power 3, then I read it as 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 or 2 cubed. If I write 3 to the power 2, then 3 to the power 2 or 3 squared. Now it's if I write 10 into 10 into 10 3 times, that means 10 to the power 3 or 1000. Now come to example number 1. Example 1 is first part. Write the base and exponent of the following exponential form. This is called exponential form. So first part is 5 to the power 3. Now here base is 5, exponent or index is 3. Second part 7 to the power 3. Base is 7, exponent is 3. Now part 3 minus 3 to the power 6. Here base is minus 3 and exponent is 6. Now example number 2. Example 2 is find the value of the following. First part is 7 to the power 4, that is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. If we multiply 7 4 times, then it becomes 2401. Second part is minus 3 to the power 5. That means minus 3 5 times. That is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9 plus 9. Multiply by minus 3 into minus 3 is again plus 9 into minus 3. So answer is minus 243 because these two are positive numbers and this is negative number. So positive into positive negative is positive into negative is negative. Third part 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 3. Now it means 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3. That means 2 into 2, or you can simply say 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 3 times, that is 8 by 27. Fourth part is minus 4 by 5 to the power 4, that is minus 4 by 5 into minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 and minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 into minus 4 is 16 by 25 into 16 by 25, again positive. Now 16 into 16 is 256 upon 625. Now come to example 3. Example 3 is first part. Simplify the following. 3 into 10 to the power 3. that is equal to 3 into 10 into 10 into 10, that is 3 into 1000, that is equal to 3000. Second part is 2 to the power 6 into 7, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now if we multiply it, the answer is 448. Third part is 2 to the power 3 into minus 3 to the power 2, that is 2 into 2 into 2 means 8 into minus 3 into minus 3, that is 8 into 3 3s are positive 9, that is 72. Example 4, which of the following is greater, say 3 to the power 6 or 3 to the power 6? Now 6 to the power 3 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, that is, sorry, 3 times, that is 216, and 3 to the power 6 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 6 times, that is 729. So 729 is greater than 216, so 3 to the power 6 is greater than 6 to the power 3. Now see, minus 1 to the power 1, if power 1 is there, answer is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 2, that is answer is plus 2. Minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, this become 1 into minus 1, then again minus 1. Now minus 1 to the power odd number, answer is negative. Minus 1 to the power even number, then the answer is positive. Now in example number 5, evaluate the following. Minus 1 to the power 2. 2 is a even number, answer is plus 1. First part. Second part is minus 1 to the power. First part is minus 1 to the power 7. Odd power means answer is minus 1. Second part is minus 1 to the power 15. 15 is also odd number, answer is minus 1. Third part is minus 1 to the power 100. 100 is a even number, so answer is minus 1. Now example number 6. In example, write the following numbers is power of 2. First part is 2, that means 2 to the power 1. Second part is minus 8. Minus 8 we can make a factor of 8. 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So minus 2 to the power 3. So minus 2 to the power 3 means minus 8. Third is no, sorry, this is not a second part. Second part is 32. 32 make up factors of 32 to that is 1 2 3 4 5, 2 to the power 5. Third part is 512. Now prime factors of 512 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that means 2 to the power 9. Now in example number 7, write the following numbers as a power of -2. First part is example number 7. First part is -2. We can write -2 to the power 1. Second part is -8. -8 means -2 to the power 3. Third part is 16. 16 means -2 to the power 4. That is -2 into -2 into -2 into -2. 1 2 3 4. 4 4 4 the 16. Is now fourth part is -32. -32, that is equal to -2 to the power 5. Now example number 8. Express the following numbers in exponential form. First is 3 4 3. Prime factors of 3 4 3. 3 4 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. No. Goes on 7 only. 3 4 3. That is 7. 4s are 49. 7. It is a cube of 7. So 7 to the power 3. First part. Second part is 7 2 9. Prime factors of 7 2 9. Now 3 ones are 3 to the 6. 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. Next is 1 5 6 2 5. Now prime factors of 15,625. 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 5 to the power 6. Now next example 9. Example 9 is find the value of x in each of the following. First part is 3 to the power x is equal to 243. In these questions we have to make the base same. Now prime factors of 243. 3 ones are 3 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are. That is 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 5. Now base is same, 3 and 3. Equality sign is there. These two are equal only if x is equal to 5. So comparing both sides, base is same, 3 3. Equality sign is there and x is equal to 5. Now second part is -5 to the power x is equal to -125. Now -5 to the power x is equal to -5 to the power 3. Now again base is same. Now sorry, x. Now powers are also same, so x is equal to 3. Comparing both sides, x is equal to 3. Now next part is third part. Third part is minus 2 by 3 to the power x is equal to 16 by 81. Now minus 2 by 3 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 4, but base is not same because minus sign is there, so we put a minus sign here. If we multiply minus 2 by 3 4 times, power is even, so answer is positive. Answer is 16 by 81 itself. So base is same, comparing both sides. Therefore x is equal to 4. Now example 10. Example 10 is write the prime factors of the following numbers in exponential form. First part is 48. Now prime factors of 48 is 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8. So 48 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 1. Second part is 420. Now prime factors of 420 is 2 to the 4 to 1. 3 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35. So 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. Now exercise 4.1 is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.